Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.5% against the yen. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.8% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said it's very likely that European sanctions will force Russia to offer some of its crude oil exports at a price set by the US and its allies if Moscow wishes to prevent a shut-in of some supplies. The UK economy contracted last quarter for the first time since early 2021 in what is likely the start of a prolonged recession, while prospects for the euro area also darkened under the weight of inflationary pressures. Refuting criticism over the Reserve Bank of India's apparent indiscriminate use of the forex reserves to support the falling rupee, Governor Shaktikanta Das said that the forex reserves are for the purpose of using in rainy days and not meant to be kept as a showpiece.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's gross domestic product annualized will be released at 23.50 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 20.30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 16.30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 10:00 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16.30 GMT. Japan's gross domestic product at 23.50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.